Love you. No. Keira, o tanjobi omedetou. Hello, Kira. Happy birthday, baby. Take care always and God bless. Ingat kayo lagi ni mama mo dyan. Love you. Miss you. Happy birthday.
Hello, baby! Happy birthday! Miss na miss ka na namin. Mag-aral kang mabuti, ah. Love you. Love na love ka ni Mami Epen. I love you, my Kerapot.
Otanjobi omedetou, Keira. Tapos na ikaw, hindi ate. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Kira. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kira. Happy birthday, Kira. Happy birthday, Kira. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. We love you. Happy birthday, Ate Kira. Happy loves you. Mama. Love you, Ate. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, baby Kira. Love you.
Hello, Kira. Happy 5th birthday.
Mama!
Kira, I miss you so much.
Me too!
Happy birthday, Kira. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Kira. Wish you all the best. Take care. See you soon.
Hello, Kira. Happy birthday. Ingat ka lagi. Love you.
Hi, Ate Keira! Happy birthday! I love you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Happy
birthday, Kira.
We miss you. We love you.
I love you.
Mwah.
Happy 5th birthday, Kerapot. Wish you all the best, good health, stay pretty and sweet. You said you're not a baby anymore, but you will always be my baby girl. Love you so much. Miss ka na ni Ate Ren.
Happy birthday, Kira! Kamusta ka
Sa
Japan?
when?
Japan! Well,
Happy birthday, Kerapot. Nag-aral kang mabuti. I love you. I miss you. Miss mo na ba si Aram?
Hello, Keira. How are you? Happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi dyan. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Kira. Happy birthday, Kira.
Happy birthday, Kira.
Happy birthday, Kira.
Eat.
Hi best friend! Happy birthday and I hope all your wishes and dreams come true and be a good girl kay mama at papa at miss ka na namin kaya uwi ka na dito sa Pilipinas.
Happy birthday, Kira! We love you! Birthday, Kira! Happy birthday, Kira! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday!